Assalamu alaikum everyone! Ramadan is here and today I've got a special treat for you. Crispy chicken finger fries. These are perfect for iftar and trust me, both kids and adults will love them. Alright, let's start with the breadcrumbs. Take 4 slices of bread, remove the crusts and chop them finely. Add 1 teaspoon of orange food coloring to the breadcrumbs for that appetizing color. Toast them in a pan over medium-low heat until they're dry and crunchy. Next, let's marinate the chicken. You'll need 1/2 kilograms of boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of baking powder, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon paprika, a dash of crushed white pepper, red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and a bit of mustard paste. And if it looks dry, crack in an egg. Mix it all well. Now, it's time to shape the chicken. Line a tray with butter paper and shape the marinated chicken into finger-like portions. Freeze these for 1-2 hours. Once frozen, set up your breadcrumb coating station. Dip each chicken finger in a beaten egg and then coat it thoroughly with the toasted breadcrumbs. Optionally, you can freeze them again for later use. For frying, heat up some oil on medium heat. Fry the chicken fingers until they're golden brown and crispy, about 5 minutes. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. And there you have it. Serve these hot with some tomato ketchup. Listen to that satisfying crunch and enjoy the juicy interior. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Happy Ramadan and enjoy your delicious iftar.